In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an archive in Outlook. To begin, open Outlook. This is your starting point, and it is crucial because all the archiving functions are found within this application. Once you open Outlook, you will see the familiar interface with your email folders on the left side. This gives you an overview of your emails and helps you navigate your inbox easily. You want to ensure that your Outlook is running smoothly before proceeding. This initial step sets the stage for everything that follows, so let's make sure Outlook is ready for action. Next, click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of the application. This is where you will find various options related to your account and settings. Clicking on File takes you to the Backstage view, which provides a more extensive set of tools for managing your Outlook experience. You will see options like Account Information, Open and Export, and Options. Navigating to this section is essential as it leads you to the archiving tools that will help keep your mailbox organized. After that, click on Info. This is an important step as it gives you access to information about your account and options related to managing your data. In this section, you will see several tools for maintaining your Outlook environment. The Info section keeps you informed about your account usage and provides options for cleaning up your mailbox. Once you're here, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step of archiving your emails effectively. From there, select Tools and then Clean Up Old Items. This is where you will find the option to archive your emails. Clicking on this option leads you to specific settings that allow you to manage older items in your mailbox efficiently. It's important to clean up old items as this helps maintain the performance of your Outlook application and keeps your inbox clutter-free. You will feel a sense of accomplishment as you take this proactive step toward managing your emails. Now, select Archive this folder and all subfolders. This option lets you choose a specific folder to archive along with its subfolders. By selecting this, you ensure that all relevant emails are included in the archive, making it easier to manage your data. This step is vital because it allows you to focus on specific areas of your mailbox that may need archiving. You are taking control of your data management, which is a key aspect of utilizing Outlook effectively. Next, choose the folder you want to archive, such as your inbox. This is an important decision because selecting the right folder determines which emails will be included in your archive. By focusing on the inbox or other folders, you can clear out old messages that you no longer need immediate access to. This helps streamline your email experience and makes it simpler to find important communications when you need them. Under Archive Items Older Than, select a date. This allows you to specify which emails to archive based on their age. For example, you might want to archive items that are over 6 months old. This is crucial because it helps you manage your mailbox size while still retaining important information for future reference. It gives you the flexibility to keep your inbox manageable without losing valuable data. Click Browse to choose where to save the archive file, or you can use the default location. Selecting the right location is essential because it determines where your archived emails will be stored. If you don't specify a location, Outlook will save it in the default folder, which is fine for most users. However, if you prefer to have more control over where your files are, this option allows you to do just that. Finally, click OK to create the archive. At this point, Outlook moves the selected items into a new archive file that you can access later. This is a significant moment because it confirms that your archiving process is complete. You will see a confirmation appear, reassuring you that your selected emails are now safely stored away, ready for future access without cluttering your inbox. Now, let's move on to archiving individual emails to the built-in archive folder. Start by opening Outlook once again as we want to focus on specific emails this time. This is a different approach to archiving, allowing you to keep your email management flexible. By archiving individual emails, you can selectively remove clutter while still keeping important messages accessible. Next, select one or more emails you want to archive. You can do this by clicking on the emails while holding down the Control key to select multiple messages. This step is important because it gives you the power to choose exactly what to archive. By being selective, you maintain control over your inbox's content. You will notice the ease of managing your emails improves significantly as you take this approach. After that, click Archive on the toolbar or Home tab. This action initiates the archiving process for the selected emails. By clicking Archive, you are telling Outlook to move those emails to the archive folder. This process is quick and efficient, allowing you to declutter your inbox with just a couple of clicks. You will feel a sense of relief as you see your inbox becoming more organized. The selected emails are then moved to the archive folder. This is where they will be stored safely, away from your main inbox. It's reassuring to know that your important messages are still accessible whenever you need them, even though they are no longer cluttering your primary view. You can always retrieve them by navigating to the archive folder in the future. Note that the archive folder is available by default for Microsoft 365, Outlook.com, and Exchange accounts. If you're using a POP or IMAP account, Outlook can create and use a local.pst archive file instead. This knowledge is important because it clarifies how different account types handle archiving. It's always good to be aware of these differences to ensure you are utilizing the features available to you effectively. Some organizations disable manual archiving or use online archive and retention policies, so the archive or clean up old items option may not be available. Understanding these limitations is crucial for users in corporate environments. Knowing the capabilities and restrictions of your account helps you navigate Outlook more effectively and manage your emails better. By following these steps, you can streamline your email management in Outlook. Archiving helps maintain a clutter-free inbox and ensures that your important emails are preserved. Thank you for watching, and happy archiving!